Bo,
smaller bunny.
you gonna hold the small one? Bodie, tell me the plan one more time. Which one am I gonna hold?
A big one.
I'm gonna
I'll
hold.
hold lots of them.
Wait, I'm gonna hold. What am I gonna hold? What's Daddy gonna hold?
Big one.
Big one. What? What kind? Big dog?
No.
Big what?
A big dog, Daddy.
A big dog?
Yeah.
No. What's it called? It's not a dog. It's what is licorice?
It has the big necklace.
Big licorice, the big bunny.
Not the most hard big necklace. A big one.
Okay.
I don't want one bunny. How two I want one bunny.
You gonna hold the two small babies?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what are you gonna hold, Bodie?
Lots of babies.
You're gonna hold lots of babies?
Yeah.
And what's Daddy gonna hold?
I'll put our babies on the house.
You wanna take the babies to the house?
Yeah.
Okay. What about licorice?
About the babies.
You wanna take licorice to the house too?
Yeah.
Okay. Is licorice the big bunny? He's gonna eat you? Bite you? But the little babies can't eat you? Is that what you said?
A big bunny come and eat me.
Big bunny come and eat you?
No.
What about the babies?
No.
No? Oh, what about the big bunny?
No.
No. Oh, the big bunny's not gonna eat you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's not gonna eat you. But bunnies don't eat people.
Yeah.
What do bunnies
Eat bunnies.
what do bunnies eat?
Food.
Food. What kind of food?
Bunny.
Bunny food? You know, is Bodie bunny food?
No.
No, Bodie's not bunny food. Is Daddy bunny food?
No.
No, so bunnies aren't gonna eat Daddy or Bodie.
Be cute.
Did you have a good day today, Bodie?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did you do?
I drew read a book. A cupcake book. And Isa read a cupcake book and sing it. And sing it book.
Bodie, does Daddy love you?
Yeah, I have no cupcake house.
Love it.
No cupcake house.
You have no cocky house?
Not a cupcake house.
Huh? Cookies in the house?
No.
What are you saying? Khakis?
No.
Cactus?
No.
What?
I have no cupcakes. Yeah, I have no cupcakes.
Oh yeah, you have no cupcakes in your house, do you?
No.
Oh, that's sad. Do you want to change that? Do you want to get cupcakes in the house?
You have to eat them.
You have to eat them if you get them, right?
Cupcake, I'm gonna eat you. Dad eats the cupcake.
Daddy eats cupcakes. Bodie wants to eat you. Cupcakes. Daddy wants to eat you too.
Come, I can eat you.
Come on, cupcakes. Come over here so we can eat you.
Please.
Please. You think they can hear you, Bodie?
Yeah.
Yeah? So where are they? How come they're not coming?
In the sky.
They're in the sky?
That's monkey that can tell me. Monkey, no, that's our cupcake.
Monkey's eating our cupcakes up in the sky?
Yeah,
Oh, monkey, no, those are our cupcakes.
that's it.
Silly monkey.
This silly monkey, I want to eat your cupcake. It can eat core cupcakes. Yeah, monkey, it's like eat cupcakes. Monkey eat cupcakes. Monkey eat monkey eat all our cupcakes. Monkey eat all cupcakes, Daddy.
The monkey eats all the cupcakes? He didn't save any for us? He ate them all? Oh, no.
No,
No, he saved some for us?
you have two.
There's two left?
You have monkey want to eat one cupcake.
Monkey ate one cupcake? Bodie eats one cupcake?
Yeah.
And Daddy eats one cupcake? How many cup?
Monkey eats two cupcakes.
Monkey eats two cupcakes?
Monkey eat cupcake
Oh, no.
with the monkey.
Monkey's gonna get a bellyache from eating so many cupcakes.
Monkey want away. Monkey want to eat cake. Monkey want to eat cupcake. Monkey want away.
Monkey doesn't want to eat cupcakes?
No, monkey want away.
Monkey went away?
Yeah.
Okay, so now can you go get the cupcakes for us, please?
No, I can't.
Why not?
Monkey, come eat cupcake right now. Monkey out there.
Can we?
Break up over there. Mom, give me a cupcake.
Can you give me a cupcake right now, please?
I can't.
Here, give me a cupcake. Put a cupcake in my hand. Thank you. Ah, that was a good cupcake. Can I have some ice cream too, please? Here, give me some ice cream.
No, I have no ice cream cone.
No ice cream cones, just cupcakes?
Yeah.
It's good cupcakes. Chocolate?
Nope.
Vanilla?
You have no cake. You have melon and gummies.
Gummy bears?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a good one.
I'll go
Ooh.
Here's gummies ice cream. And certain chocolates.
Oh, here's some chocolate for me?
Yeah, and cupcake.
That's good.
Here's a cupcake.
There's some more cupcakes? Thanks.
No, not cupcake.
Thanks, Bodie.
No, that's not cupcake. No, that's monkey cupcake.
Oh, pugh! Monkey cupcake! Pugh! I don't like monkey cupcake. I like chocolate cupcake and vanilla cupcake. Monkey cupcake tastes like bananas.
Thank you. Here's a monkey cupcake. It's not good. It's
Does the bunny eat cupcakes?
No,
No.
that's not a cupcake. That's yucky. That's yucky cupcake.
What do bunnies eat? What kind of bunny food is there?
Not seafood, not water.
Bodie, can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Okay, camera.